2 D-Gen slots. We've got the bonus trigger on $15. So each one of those spinny birds gets a sticky reel. So we want a lot of those birds. 15 bucks, let's go. Yeah, birds everywhere. Oh, that's nice. Wow. Money, 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 money. Oh, money would be cool right now. 4 wilds. That's pretty good. No 5 of a kind, I don't think, but it's nice. Last game. Alright, wilds or money. Oh, that's really good. Actually, get it 2 ways. That's pretty good. Look at that. $1,125. This is why we love Dragon Train. Let's go, 2 D-Gens.